How to achieve a rich lifestyle, transform your life today. Close your eyes for a second and imagine soaring high above the city in your private jet. The warm ocean breeze on your skin as you relax on your yacht, the keys to your dream car resting in your hand. Now open your eyes. This isn't a fantasy. It's the life that's waiting for you. You see, everyone dreams of living a rich life, but for most it remains a distant fantasy. Why? Because they haven't learned the blueprint to turn dreams into reality. They think it's about luck, circumstance, or being born with a silver spoon. Let me tell you, that's a load of bull. A rich life, my friend, is created, not inherited. It's about mastering your mindset, building powerful habits, and making decisions today that create the extraordinary life you deserve tomorrow. In this video, I'm going to give you the keys to unlock your full potential and claim the rich life you were destined for. Are you ready to unleash your inner power? Let's dive in. We're not just talking about money here, we're talking about a richness in every area of your life. And that starts with your mindset. See, most people are living in a state of lack. They're focused on what they don't have, what they can't do, and why they can't succeed. That's a poverty mindset, and it's a prison that keeps you stuck. The wealthy, the successful, the truly fulfilled, they think differently. They understand that wealth starts in the mind. They cultivate a mindset of abundance, believing that there's more than enough for everyone, including themselves. So how do you develop this millionaire mindset? It starts with your thoughts. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I am worthy of success. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Say it like you mean it. Feel it in your core and watch how your world starts to shift. Next, start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a sunny day, a good cup of coffee, or the love of your family. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. And that's a powerful key to unlocking abundance. Finally, embrace a growth mindset. Understand that setbacks are not failures, they're opportunities to learn and grow. The most successful people in the world have failed more times than you can count, but they never gave up on their dreams. They learned from their mistakes, got back up stronger, and ultimately achieved greatness. Relying on a single source of income is like building your financial house on sand. One storm, one unexpected event, and your entire foundation could crumble. The wealthy create multiple streams of income. They diversify their earnings to stay afloat. Start by exploring your passions and skills. Could you turn that passion into a side hustle? Maybe you're a talented writer or a creative soul. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities. You could create and sell online courses, build a following on social media, or invest in real estate for passive income. Take action, even if it's just one small step. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and persistence. Start small, stay focused, and watch your income streams grow. Multiple income streams provide financial freedom. Live life on your own terms and pursue your passions. Build a legacy of abundance for yourself and your loved ones. Let me ask you something. What's the most valuable asset you own? It's not your car, your house, or even your bank account. The most valuable asset you possess is you. Your mind, your body, your spirit. These are the tools that will allow you to create a rich and fulfilling life. And just like any other valuable asset, you need to invest in yourself. You need to constantly be learning, growing, and expanding your horizons. The moment you stop investing in yourself is the moment you start to depreciate. So how do you invest in yourself? It starts with your mind. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. Surround yourself with knowledge and allow yourself to be challenged by new ideas. Next, invest in your health. Your body is your temple and you need to treat it as such. Eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. When you feel good physically, you have more energy and focus to pursue your goals. Finally, invest in your skills. What are you passionate about? What skills do you need to develop to achieve your dreams? Take courses, attend workshops, find a mentor. The more you invest in your skills, the more valuable you become and the more opportunities will open up for you. Remember, investing in yourself is not selfish, it's essential. When you invest in yourself, you're not just improving your own life, you're also improving the lives of everyone around you. You become a source of inspiration, motivation, and support for others. Chapter 4. Surround yourself with success. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, let me tell you, it's true. Your environment has a profound impact on your mindset, your beliefs, and ultimately your results. If you're surrounded by negative, pessimistic people who are constantly complaining and doubting themselves, guess what? Their energy will rub off on you, and you'll find it much harder to maintain a positive, abundant mindset. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with successful, driven, and supportive individuals, their energy will uplift you, inspire you, and push you to achieve your full potential. You'll start to see the world through their eyes, and you'll begin to believe that anything is possible. So how do you find these incredible people? Start by seeking out mentors. Look for individuals who have achieved what you aspire to achieve and reach out to them. Most successful people are more than happy to share their knowledge and experience with others. Next, attend industry events, join networking groups, and put yourself out there. The more connections you make, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, your network is your net worth. The relationships you build and the people you surround yourself with can have a dramatic impact on your success. So choose your inner circle wisely and watch as your life transforms. Chapter 5. Live with financial discipline. Financial discipline is crucial for a rich lifestyle. It's not just about making money, but managing it wisely. Spending more than you earn prevents true financial freedom. Understand your relationship with money. Create a budget to track income and expenses. Avoid debt. Pay off high-interest loans quickly. Reward yourself and find a balance. Invest in your future while enjoying life's pleasures. Chapter 6. Build your brand and legacy. Now we've talked about the importance of mindset, multiple legacy be? What mark will you leave on the world? The power is in your hands. Go out there and create the extraordinary life you were destined for. Outro. Create your rich life. Listen, achieving a rich lifestyle isn't about shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about committing to a journey of growth, consistency, and discipline. It's about mastering your mindset, building your empire, and making decisions today that create the extraordinary life you deserve tomorrow. Remember, wealth isn't something you're given, it's something you create. It's about taking control of your finances, investing in yourself, and building a life of purpose and abundance. Now, I want you to take action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Apply these principles to your life. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. The rich life is waiting for you. Go out there and claim it.